I got this wild idea since my ironing board cover is so nasty and I washed it and I can't get the stains out of it. And I took the padding out and put a towel under it for temporary. And I'm just tired of the whole thing. So I may add a layer of toweling to this. But what I did is came up with some um, I came up with some plain brown fabric that I used for the back of the quilt and had excess. So we're going to use some of it to um, make an ironing board cover. I'm tired of thinking about it. I don't want to go buy one because they don't fit right. So I thought I'd make my own. Um, I think probably be quicker and easier just to do it myself. So I cut a piece of the brown fabric and then I laid a piece of batting, quilt batting, on top of it. First, I sprayed the batting and then flipped it over on top of it, and so it sticks. So, because I want it to be as smooth as possible. And then I'm going to lay another piece of fabric on top of that so that when I go to wash it, I won't have problems with the batting being exposed. And so it's going to be sandwiched between two layers of the fabric. And then I'll have to run and get some kind of a elastic, unless I tell you what I could do. I could take the cord out of this one. I think that's a pretty good idea. Recycle, right? So I'll pull it off the top. And I thought there was a tighten, like an area where I could tie it, but I could add a little piece if I need to, so that I can tie it, make an adjustment, because it looks complete from end to end. And this is where I already had to make an adjustment on it. And then this actually is the original cover, I think, that was on it when I got the ironing board. Maybe it has a tie. No, it doesn't. Um, the more layers you have on there, the better it is. Yeah, as you can see, my towel isn't stained and my um, original cover is not stained, but this one is. And it's really gross. And I just want to be done with it. So we're tossing it. I don't want it. It's yucky. It has like rust or something all over it. Or it might be some brown from some fabric that I used. I'm not sure. So anyway, um, yeah, I could use this one, but again, I think what I'm going to do is when I get done is just add this towel underneath for the whole length of the ironing board and maybe pin it in place. My mom had one that had a pin in it. They didn't have elastic enough. Well, maybe they did. I'm not sure what hers was made out of, but in the 70s, I remember her having to pin and make an adjustment. And I probably did it when I was a teen, just did it for her. So this needs to get trimmed up and pinned, or I don't want to pin it with all the thickness it has on it. I just want my ironing board to be done right. So, and to look right. So I will get back with you and I'll let you know what I did to make it nicer. That old one had to go. It was just embarrassing and disgusting. I just couldn't stand looking at it. So I will let you know what I come up with. And rather than have you watch all the sewing and cutting and listen to me cursing about how it doesn't look right or how I'm not doing it right. So I'll talk to you later and I'll let you know what I figured out.